We are representing Indian Trading Bureau Private Limited and we are based in Kolkata. We are in the business of distributing the poultry feeds and supplements for the last 21 years, and we exclusively represent some of the world-renowned companies of manufacturers of feed elements like Ajinomoto, VTR from China, then Skystone Feed Limited, and many others. This is the third year that we are representing our company in Poultry India Fair, and the reason of coming here for the third time is that we feel that we are getting a good exposure and we are getting the opportunities to come across with various suppliers, new suppliers, getting good feedback from our customers, and this is a very good platform that we are getting in terms of having a face-to-face interaction with our existing suppliers and customers, as well as to build the new ones. We are primarily based in Eastern India, but we cater to the Pan-India network, and we are also, one side we are representing all the companies which are manufacturing the feed elements, but we are also into the farm level products, so that we can go directly with the final customer or the farmers and make them understand the usage of biosecurity, which is the call of the day, and also the natural products, natural herbal products, because that will lessen the toxicity in the birds, and that will be actually beneficial for the whole mankind. This is the third year, as I told you, and we are getting very good response in fact, and we hope to have bigger volumes of business.